how to download Steam on your Lenovo laptop. So this is nice and simple. What we need to do is open up your browser and then type in Steam, press this first link here, and then just press install Steam. Now scroll down and press install Steam on this blue button here. You can see it's up here now. Press this folder button and then you can put this on your desktop. So double tap on that to open it. Now you just need to follow the steps. Next, next, and install. Press finish. I'm going to let it update. So once it's finished updating, it will ask you to sign in or make a new account. So I'm just going to sign in. So once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with this screen here. Now you can purchase games and carry on gaming. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.